Good morning, children. Take out Wind Chimes English Literature Book 1. This book, Chapter 7. Take out Chapter 7, page 63. Page 63. My family. Okay. My family. My father's name. You know your father's name? Okay. Children, so you write here your father's name. He is a doctor, an engineer, a clerk. Okay. So you write here. Okay. My brother's name. You know you have any brother? So you write his name. He is in class. You know your brother's class name, so you write. You have any brother, so you write. Otherwise, you leave it. Okay. My grandfather's name. So you write your grandfather's name. Any problem, you ask your father. Okay. He is a right. He is a doctor. Anything. So you write here. Next, right side. See here. My mother's name. Your mother's name, you know, so you write here your mother's name. She is a teacher, a doctor, a nurse, a housewife. So you write here. Okay. My sister's name. You have any sisters? So you write sister's name. She is in class. Okay. Otherwise you will leave it. Okay. My grandmother's name. You know your grandmother name. Any problem, you ask your mother or your father. Okay. You also write your mother's name. She is a housewife. Yeah. Doctor, nurse, teacher. Okay. So I love my family. So I love my family. This is my family. Okay. Listening, children. Take out your school homework copy, pencil, eraser and your school diary. Okay. A. Listen to the passage carefully and fill the blanks. See here, fill the blanks. See blanks. So fill it. Okay. Number 1. Switch off the dash. Number 2. Switch off the dash before going to bed. Number 3. Switch off the dash before leaving the room. Number 4. Put your table near the dash. Use natural dash and not a lamp. Number 5. Turn off the dash while waiting at traffic light. 6. Ride a dash or walk. Don't use a car or a scooter. Number 7. Dash with others. Save petrol. Okay. Now children, follow me. A1. Switch off the right here television. Okay. television. Number 2, switch off the gas before going to bed. So write here light, L-I-G, switch off the light before going to bed. Number 3, switch off the before leaving the room. Okay. So number 3, switch off the fan before leaving the room. Number 4, put your table near the desk. Use natural gas and not a lamp. Okay. Put your table near the window. Use natural light, L-I-G-H-T, light and not a lamp. Okay. Turn off the gas while waiting at traffic light. So right here number 5, answer mobile. Turn off the mobile, okay, while waiting the traffic light. 6, ride a dash or walk. Don't use a car or a scooter. Okay. Scooter. So right here number 6 answer, bicycle. Ride a bicycle or walk. Don't use a car or a scooter. Number 7, dash with others petrol. So your answer is travel with others save petrol. Now children, see number 1. Listen to the passage carefully and fill in the blanks. So first one, switch off the television. Switch off the television. TELEVISION. Number 2, switch off the light before going to bed. Switch off the light before going to bed. LIGHT, light. LIGHT, light. Switch off the light before going to bed. Number 3, switch off the fan before leaving the room. FAN, fan. FAN, fan. Switch off the fan before leaving the room. Number 4, put your table near the window. Use natural light and not a lamp. Window, WINDOW. WINDOW. Light, LIGHT, light. LIGHT, light. Put your table near the window. Use natural light and not a lamp. Okay. Next, number 5. Turn off the mobile while waiting at traffic light. Mobile, MOBIL. MOBIL. So turn off the mobile while waiting at traffic light. Next children, number 6. Ride a bicycle or walk. Don't use a car or a scooter. Ride a bicycle or a walk. Don't use a car or a scooter. Bicycle. 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 Ride a bicycle or walk. Don't use a car or a scooter. Number 7. Travel with others save petrol. TRAVEL. 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 So travel with others save petrol. Okay children, I hope everyone understood this page. So children, write your homework. Chapter 7, page 63. Okay. So children, I hope everyone understood this chapter 7. So practice children. Okay.